In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and loading the PDF you want to copy from. If Acrobat is already open, you can go to File, then Open, and browse to your document. Give the file a moment to load, especially if it's large or contains images. Next, make sure you're using the Text Selection tool. Look for the cursor icon on the toolbar, often labeled Select. When this tool is active, your pointer will change over selectable text. If you can highlight words by dragging your mouse across them, you're in the right mode. Now, click and drag to highlight the exact text you need. You can drag across a single word, a sentence, or multiple paragraphs. If you make a mistake, just click elsewhere to deselect and try again. Zooming in can help you grab precise sections, especially with small fonts or narrow columns. Keep in mind, if the text won't highlight at all, it may be part of a scanned image or the document might have copying restrictions. In those cases, you won't be able to select the text directly. With your text highlighted, it's time to copy. Right-click on the selection and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Either way, the text is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. Switch to the application where you want the text to go. This could be Microsoft Word, Google Docs in your browser, Notepad, or any text field. Click where you want the text to appear, then paste with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You can also right-click and choose Paste if that's more comfortable. After pasting, take a moment to check formatting. PDFs often use columns or line breaks that might carry over. If the text looks choppy, you can clean it up by removing extra line breaks or adjusting spacing. In plain text editors like Notepad, you'll get unformatted text by default, which can be useful if you want a clean slate. A couple of quick tips as you practice this. If you're copying a large block of text, it's often easier to grab it in sections to keep control over formatting. And if you notice strange characters, it may be due to the PDF's encoding. Pasting into a plain text editor first can help reveal and clean those issues before moving the text into your final document. That's all there is to it. Open, select, copy, and paste. Simple, reliable, and fast.